So I know it's been a hot minute since we've done pretty much anything on this channel, but the C-Class is coming back. This is gonna be our third C-Class that we're gonna do. So originally when I first started kind of like this YouTube channel, actually I started a long time ago, but like kind of like in the beginning, we worked on a 2010 W204 C300. We did the rear diffuser. My brother did like some rims, some like it was all like cosmetic stuff, and it looked pretty sick. And that's kind of like my plan with this car right now. So the whole idea for this video is like, you know, you're a college student, you know, you don't have enough money, but you really want like a European sports car, but you don't really want to go the Japanese route, you want to go the European route. Your only options right now are a 3 Series A4 and a C300. Alfa Romeos, I don't think you can find one around like 10 grand. This is kind of like what you're looking at for like this car right here. Something around like 100,000 miles, 5 to 10 grand. But yeah, the whole idea is to kind of do like a budget series and try to make this thing as beautiful as possible, because this is a great car. Looks wise, it's one of the better looking like C-Classes. The one before that, it looked okay, but the interior was kind of like, it looks like super dated. The facelifted model of the W204, I think looks like the best, especially the C3 version, obviously. But we're left with this one, the pre-facelifted C350. Yeah, I'm super excited about this because like I think this car has like a lot of potential. This one in particular needs like a lot of, I think it needs a good amount of TLCs, but it's not the worst example in history. So we're definitely going to change the grill. Shout out to my uncle Millen Motors in Texas. Definitely this bottom part got, I think, repainted in Plasti Dip. This side right here is like coming off and stuff. Rims are great actually, but I do want to swap them out for maybe some like cooler black rims. Like that will be like eventually like down the line. Right now we're doing the budget build. Considering like dents and stuff like in the car, this car is actually pretty clean. But the paint is not in the best condition just because it is black. This whole thing, this whole front bumper was like resprayed at one point, and then like look, it's like chipping and stuff. Right here looks awful. Maybe we'll do that. So it's gonna do my absolute best to clean it up. This is fake carbon, so this will last like literally forever. This is real carbon though. That real carbon, it just doesn't sit right, and since it's kind of getting old, clear coat's getting kind of yellow. So yeah, this car had a resonator leak, so still has the original mufflers. Do want to install quad tips, and I have quad tips over there that we're gonna see right now. So my plan is, first we're gonna look at everything that I purchased for like any type of C-Class that we've had, because I have a few parts there. So I actually have like a rear diffuser, a front lip. I just don't know if I can install that front lip and rear diffuser on this car because I bought it for the 2013. I'm about to find out. The facelifted W204 that we have, it's not gonna be here, so I can't really work on it for the time being. But at least this one, yeah, I have this one all to myself. I could do whatever I want to it, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna make it into like the closest thing to a C63 possible, or something like cleaner. Just clean it up. Okay, so I'm getting all the stuff out that I have. I know it looks pretty jank because it was sitting on my balcony and I was here. So we have the front lip, the side skirts, and the rear diffuser up there, which I'm trying to get right now. But wanted to show you guys this first, what's in the goodie bag. We got quad tips, and what's cool about these, also bought these on AliExpress, so they're super cheap. So after this video, or after we kind of do everything, we're gonna do like a budget breakdowns. So look at this, beautiful. So funny enough, they tape these coming from China because you're not, I guess like they're not supposed to sell stuff that's branded like this, but gonna do the reveal. Oh yeah, AMG looking kind of sick. These are beautiful. They're really well done. So got quad tips. I have two of these. Other than that, I have like little trinkets here and there. There's some sandpaper because I have to prime those. Well, I did already. I already primed those, so I gotta paint it and I gotta do clear coat. So I already sanded them down, and then now all that's left is kind of like painted over. Here we have lowering springs. We have a total of 4, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. These are from HRE, and these were about $400. But yeah, we're slowly going through everything together. So far, this is kind of like the mayhem here. So yeah, gonna try to take that down right now. So I'm not ready to install these yet. I think this one, I'm pretty sure the side profiles of the car look exactly the same, so I don't think I'm gonna have an issue installing this side skirt that was meant for that car on this car. Same thing with this too. 160,000 miles, still going strong. No issues, knock on wood, yet. This is the beginning of a journey where we're gonna do whatever we can to this car to make it look good. So I think like just for just today, I'm probably gonna work on these headlights, you know, to finish off the video and like get it cleaned up. Well, I mean, it's kind of have to, it's gonna sit out here, so maybe not. I'll probably just do the headlights and tail lights because they're a little bit faded, and we do that right now. All right guys, thanks for watching this video, and see you on the next one on this awesome budget build series.